Hello, I'm here to present to you TVI Express. But before I begin my presentation, I'd like to ask you some questions. Do you love to travel? If your answer is yes, what is your concept of travel? Is it travel and spend? In short, gastos? What if I share to you a concept wherein you get to travel and earn at the same time? Interested? Then let's begin. Who is TVI? Si TVI po, isa po siyang International Travel and Earn Membership Club. We provide lifetime access to discounts in hotels and resorts anywhere in the world and the potential to earn extra income. Once you become a member, what you will receive is a personalized booking and business website kung saan doon na po tayo mag-book ng ating hotel accommodation at the same time monitor our business growth. Through your website, meron na po tayong lifetime access to discounts in around 210,000 hotels and resorts and the potential to earn extraordinary income. Right now, ang una po natin pag-uusapan ay regarding our hotel accommodation. Ito po ang ating website. First, ang gagawin po natin is we need to log in and type our password. This is our booking page. Pag nakapamili na po tayo ng hotel na gusto natin, ipiprint lang po natin yung booking certificate. Ito po yung papakita natin sa hotel when we check in. Again, with TVI, we can travel the world and choose from 210,000 hotels in the Philippines and anywhere in the world. If you want to be smart with your money, it's better for you to become a member of TVI. Bakit po? Kasi dati po, ang ating pong konsepto ng vacation ay gastos, gastos, gastos. With TVI, your vacation will turn into paycation. Paano? Through TVI's Travel and Earn program. This is the earning program of TVI. Maganda siyang gawing negosyo because TVI has combined the three fastest growing megatrends in the world to form a unique and very powerful business concept. Number 1. We belong to the travel and tourism industry. Ang travel tourism industry isa po siyang recession-proof industry. Good or bad economy, hindi po siya naapektuhan. Ang ating pong mga airports, never po siyang naubusan ng pasahero. It has universal appeal and no market segmentation. Meaning to say, bata matanda, lalaki babae, nagbabakson. Virtually everyone loves to travel. Number 2, the internet. This day and age, it's a must na ang business ay nasa internet. Because of the internet, mas mabilis at mas madali na nating magagawa ang ating negosyo. Number 3, the home-based business. According to experts around the world, this industry produces new millionaires every year. So if this is your first time to do this kind of business, don't worry because we provide trainings and system support in order for you to be successful in TVI. Once you become a member of TVI, magkakaroon po kayo ng business account and you could earn through the unique compensation plan of TVI. Apat lang po siya, so simple and yet so powerful. Number 1, the revolving matrix. Number 2, residual income. Number 3, business generation bonus. And number 4, power pool. Magko-concentrate po tayo sa unang dalawa, which is the revolving matrix and the residual income. The revolving matrix. Coming from the word revolve, meaning to say umiikot. Ano yung umiikot? Your business account. Your business account, pupunta po siya sa dalawang klaseng board, the Traveler Board and Express Board. Your account, ang unang pupuntahan is a Traveler Board. Once you exit the Traveler Board, mamaya explain ko kung ano yung tsura ng board at paano ma-exit, you will earn a commission of 30,000 pesos. Once you exit the Traveler Board, ang next pong pupuntahan ng account is the Express Board. Once you exit the Express Board, you will earn the commission of 450,000 pesos. Ano ang tsura ng board at anong gagawin ko para umexit? This is the Traveler Board. Kung meron po tayong nakitang traditional sa labas, please wag po natin siyang ipapattern dito kasi makukonfuse po tayo. Ang Traveler Board ay dinadaan po sa matrix system. Meron po siyang 15 slots, may 7 nakaposisyon na po, kulay blue. Sino po sila? Sila po yung mga taong nauna nang sumali ng club. May 8 bakante sa ilalim, sino po magpupuno? Pupunuin po sila ng mga taong sasali pala ng club. May leveling po siya, starting from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ang goal po natin lahat is to be on top of the board o level 4. Why? Kasi pag tayo na po ang nasa level 4 at napuno po ang level 1 ng taong sasali, we will now exit the board and we will earn the 30,000 pesos. Ulitin ko po yung simple formula. Ang goal po natin is to be on top kasi pag napuno po yung ilalim, exit na po tayo. Now, hindi po tayo makakapasok sa board unless may mag-invite po sa atin na dadaan po sa through referral marketing system. For example, in this board, ang taong kilala nyo po ay si Harry. Harry invited you, you decided to join. That's why sa account po ni Harry, nandun po yung pangalan ng you. Anong ibig sabihin? Na-recognize po ng system, ang taong nag-invite po sa inyo ay si Harry. Since bago po tayong sali, ang ating pong account nasa level 1. Anong gagawin nating effort para malagay sa level 4 at umexit? Initially, all you need to do is to invite at least 2 of your friends. What if more than 2 ma-invite ko? Pwede ba yon? Yes. You are not limited to 2. Mas marami kang ma-invite, the faster you will exit the traveler board. For example, you invited your friend Tim. Tim decided to join. That's why sa account mo, nandun yung pangalan ni Tim. Meron ka ng isang invite. Bakit ganon? Akala ko ba dalawang i-invite ko, ang dami pang empty slots. Ako ba magpupuno niya lahat? Pwede ka namang ikaw magpuno niya lahat kasi you can invite more than 2. Pero habang ginagawa mo yon, meron siyang tinatawag na game of speed and teamwork. Bakit speed? Mas mabilis nating mapupuno yung empty slots kasi magkakaroon ng teamwork. Why teamwork? Remember, sa board, ang kilala mo lang naman ay si Harry na nag-invite sa'yo at si Tim na in-invite mo. The rest ng nasa board, hindi mo namang kilala. Kahit hindi tayo magkakakilala, kahit hindi tayo magkakagrupo, as long as we belong to the same board, lahat ng i-invite natin mapupunta sa empty slots. Therefore, yung probability na mapupuno natin yung board ay mas mabilis kasi hindi lang naman tayo ang pwede mag-imbita. Trabaho ng isa, benefit ng lahat. For example, si Mary. Si Mary, kahit hindi mo siya kilala, lahat ng i-invite niya mapupunta sa empty slots. For example, in-invite niya ang kaibigan niyang si Jill na punta sa empty slot. Hindi naman tayo nag-ibita. You invited your friend Abby. Kung titingnan mo yung account mo, meron ka ng 2 invite. Meaning to say, may requirement ka na para malagay sa level 4. Now, punin natin yung board. Si Adam, invite ni Tony, si Linda, si Helen, si Greg, si Peter, then Dan was invited by Greg. Mabilis na puno ang board. Question, tayo ba nag-invite sa lahat ng tao? Hindi naman. Ang in-invite lang natin is 2. Now, ang sabi ng system, pagka napuno na ang board, kung sino man ang nasa top of the board, in this case si Joe will now exit the board and he will earn the 30,000 pesos. Pansinin mo, nag-iba yung color ni Joe, from blue to gray. Bakit? Pumasok na siya ng second type of board, which is the express board. Mamaya na natin pag-usapan si Joe, balikan natin siya mamaya. Pag-usapan natin your account. Paano naman i-exit yung mga naiwan? To give equal opportunity sa mga tao, the system will create 2 new empty traveler boards. Bakit? Para mabigyan niya ng equal tsansa ang mga tao, the system will reposition or rearrange yung mga naiwan sa 2 panibagong boards. Uunahin niyang ilagay sa pinakamatataas na posisyon para mabilis umexit yung mga taong meron 2 in-invite, isusunod yung may isang in-invite, isusunod yung mga walang in-invite. Hanapin niyo from left to right, top to bottom. For example, tingnan muna natin dito kung sino may 2 in-invite. Harry has 2 invites, Mary has 2, Tony has 2 invites, and then your account meron kang 2 invite. Pansinin mo, may iba pang nauna sa'yo. Nauna sa'yo si Sue, si Helen, at si Peter. At nasa pinakamababang level ka ng board, which is the level 1. Pero tingnan mo kung anong gagawin ng system. Unang angat si Harry, si Mary, si Tony, then your account. Bakit ganon? May iba pang nauna sa akin at nanggaling ako sa pinakamababang level pero ako pa rin ang hinuna ng system simply because meron kang 2 invite. Our system is fair and equal because meron siyang konsepto na who does the work gets the pay. Kung sino yung nagtatrabaho, yun ang pakikitain ng system. Then, sa kapalang iangat, yung may tig isa-isa. Then, may maiwan sa ilalim. Sino sila? Sila yung 2 types of members. Sila yung mga member na sumali lang just to get the travel discounts o sila yung mga taong kakasali pa lang, wala pa ni-invite. Pero kahit wala pa ni-invite, iangat pa rin sila ng system sa next level. Meaning to say, lahat tayo aangat dyan? Yes, pero para may lagay ka sa level 4 at umexit, kailangan meron kang dalawang in-invite. Now, kung papansinin mo, from level 1, nag-third level ka na ng traveler board. Anong mangyayari ngayon? Same system lang ng point ulit. Mapupuno yung level 1 ng taong sasali, kung sino yung nasa taas, Harry will exit, mag-split ang board, papalitan mo si Harry, pag napuno yung board mo, you will now exit the traveler board. After ng traveler board, saan ka na pupunta? Pupunta ka na sa pinakagustong punta na lahat, which is the express board. This is the express board. Yung express board, kaparas lang po na itsura nung naunang board. Iba lang po ang kulay gray. May 7 nakaposisyon din. Sino sila? Sila po yung mga taong nauna ng umexit or kumita ng 30,000 pesos. May 8 bakante po sa ilalim. Sino po magpupuno? Pupunin po sila ng mga taong exit pa lang ng traveler board o yung mga taong kikita pa lang ng 30,000 pesos. May leveling po siya starting from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ang goal po nating lahat is to be on top of the board or level 4. Bakit? Kasi pag tayo na po yung nasa top of the board at napuno po yung 8 bakante, we will now exit the express board and we will earn the 450,000 pesos. Now, pag umexit tayo ng traveler board, saan tayo pupunta ng express board? Para hindi po maligaw yung account natin, susundan po natin yung taong nag-invite po sa atin. Kanina po sa example, ang taong nag-invite po sa atin sa TVI ay si Harry. Since nandito po si Harry, susundan po natin siya. Anong gagawin kong effort para malagay sa level 4 o top of the board at umexit ng 450,000? Kailangan ba mag-invite ulit ako ng dalawa? Hindi na po. All you need to do is to help your members, at least 2 of them, earn the 30,000 pesos para magkaroon po kayo ng requirement para malagay po sa level 4. Now, the empty slots will be filled up by those people who are exiting from their own traveler board. Pag ito po yung napuno, o sino man po yung nasa taas, in this case, si Trish will now exit the board and she will earn the 450,000 pesos. What if kung ako nang exit ng express board? Pag umexit na ba ako ng express board, tapos na? Hindi pa ho. Your account, pag umexit po kayo ng express board, ay kukunin po yun ng system at ibabalik po sa level 1, hindi po nung naunang board, kundi ibabalik po kayo sa express board pa rin. Magbabayad ba ako ulit? Hindi na po. All you need to do is to help your members earn 30,000 pesos. You will work your way papunta ulit sa taas. Pag napunta po yung account nyo ulit sa taas, sa level 4 at napuno po yung level 1, exit na naman po kayo ulit ng another 450,000 pesos. That's why ang tawag po sa kanya is revolving matrix. The second way of earning is called the residual income. This is designed for those people who are building the business. If you're building an organization, babayaran ka ni TVI. Paano? Natatanda mo yung dalawang mong in-invite? Pag sila nag-invite din, may kita ka doon, ranging from 3% to 10%. Ma-activate ang inyong residual income once you exit the traveler board. Pag mag-exit ka ng traveler board, ang tawag na sa'yo ay Silver Associate. Pag ikaw ay Silver Associate, you will earn 3% sa iyong group sales. Pag mag-exit ka ng pangalawang klaseng board, which is the excess board, ang tawag na sa'yo ay Gold Associate. Pag Gold Associate ka na, you will earn 5%. As you build your business, lumalaki ang iyong percentage. Ang goal nating lahat is to become Crown Ambassador. Why? Once you become a Crown Ambassador, on top of your residual income, bibigyan ka pa ng BGB at ng Power Pool. What is Power Pool? Profit sharing siya ng company. 2% ng kinikita ni TVR worldwide pag hati-hatian nyo ng Crown Ambassador titles in the whole world. How much is the club membership fee? Bago ko po sabihin ang membership fee, I would like to inform you that we are unlike other hotel membership clubs wherein you will pay annually of 6,000 to 10,000 pesos and you're limited to the hotels na pwede nyo pong puntahan. And we are also unlike other expensive travel membership clubs wherein you will pay 250,000 pesos to 1 million pesos. Yung una ko pong dalawang nabanggit, sila po ay wala pong income. With TVI, may kasama pa husang business. Baka naman napakamahal ng membership fee because we're talking about discounts at meron pang kasamang opportunity to earn 450,000 pesos. You'll be happy to know that our membership fee is one-time payment, lifetime membership of 16,800 pesos only. How to earn 30,000 pesos and 450,000 pesos. With TVI, you can start with one account. Initially, you need to have two members. You work your way pa-exit ng travel board and you earn 30,000 pesos. Yung 30,000 pesos na kinita mo, minus yung 16,800 na entry fee mo, may kinita ka ng 30,200 pesos. Now, your account will proceed to the Exos board. Trabahoin mo siya, umexit ka ng Exos board, and kita ka na ng 450,000 pesos, which is okay. But kung gusto mong i-maximize ang business mo, I would suggest you get 3 accounts. So, pwede ako mag-multiple accounts? Yes. Pwede bang ako yan lahat? Yes. Pwede ba yung family members ko? Yes. As long as 18 and above. Now, kung titingnan nyo po, yung 16,800 times 3, that's around 50,400 pesos. Kung titingnan mo yung account mo, may dalawa na kaagad na qualification. Trabuhin mo siya, pag umexit ka ng travel board, you get to earn 30,000 pesos. Minus doon sa 50 mil na nilabas natin, meron pang natira na 20,400 pesos. Pero may dalawa pang account na natitira. Trabahuin mo siya, meron ka pang additional dalawang 30,000 pesos. 30,000 pesos times 3, that's around 90,000 pesos. Minus may 50 mil, may kinita ka pang almost 40,000 pesos. Now, all of your accounts nasa Express board na. I-workout mo siya, pwede kang kumita ng 450,000 pesos. Pero since tatlo ang account mo, the 450,000 pesos times 3, that's around 1.3 million pesos. Kahit isang taong ka pang kumita ng 1.3 million, nilabas mo 50 mil, sobrang sulit pa rin with TVI. In business, timing is everything. In TVI, we believe that you are in the right place, right time, right platform. Ang kailangan na lang is your decision. Make an upfront decision. Join us now. Thank you very much.